Stop, or we're gonna go down to the ground. Stop, or we're gonna go down to the ground. It's your car. We're gonna go down to the ground. It's your car.
On March 29th, 2025, officers responded to a CVS shoplifting report. 3 individuals were detained near McDonald's after loss prevention identified them as suspects.
She's on the side.
She's outside?
Yeah, she's right by the McDonald's.
Oh, okay.
They're right by McDonald's.
They're by McDonald's?
Yeah.
Are you able to see them from here? Is that them?
Stop right there. Stop right there. All 3 of you guys. 3 of you guys. Nope. 3 of you guys. You guys. Nope. Nope. Doesn't matter. Stop right there. You're gonna go in handcuffs. Go right there. You're gonna go in handcuffs.
Okay, but
all right. I'm letting you know right here. You're being detained for shoplifting. All right.
I didn't shoplift.
Okay, that doesn't matter.
What do you mean?
Right. Stay over here. You're being detained.
What you mean? I didn't say nothing.
All 3 of you guys.
I didn't say nothing.
Well, we're gonna have to figure that out. We're gonna review cameras, IDs.
Okay, I didn't say nothing though. So
All right, we're gonna figure that out. IDs.
You have your ID on you?
I didn't say nothing. What you?
Okay,
I didn't
well,
walk
we're
out
gonna
with
figure
nothing.
that out. We're gonna figure that out right
Did
now.
I walk out with something? I didn't walk out
Can I
with
see your
nothing.
ID?
Was you gonna arrest me?
Show me your ID.
I have an ID.
All right, we'll take names. I got no problem with that. At the moment, you guys will be being detained for possible
What you
substance.
mean
Detained for
We're going to
possible.
arrest?
No, but you're being detained. You're not free to go. Okay, I can put you in handcuffs. I got no problem with that.
Relax, Melissa. Just listen to what he's saying.
So we'll take IDs, names, and then you were carrying that bag, right? Perfect. I saw you with this bag.
Yeah, I carried it
Yeah.
right
Oh,
there.
got you.
I carried it right there.
Yeah, you carried it from there with all the stuff that you took.
I carried it from the store.
Got you. I can go ahead and put your hands behind your back. I'm gonna start walking to my car. You're gonna be detained at the moment until we be able to go talk to CVS, all right? Do you have anything on you that I should be worried about? No?
No.
I'll pat you down with the back of my hand. I'll take this from you. Thank you. You took this from CVS too?
No, that's used and
Okay.
abused.
I'll take an ID from you. Yeah, I'll take this down from you. Appreciate it. You have an ID with you? You gave it to me? Perfect, I appreciate it. Do you have anything on you as well that I should worry about? All right, can I pat you down? Appreciate it.
So you're at the CVS right now?
Yeah, but I didn't say nothing. You said I didn't walk out. I was gonna pay for something, but my car was declined.
You said what? I'm sorry?
I was the register. My car was declined.
CVS? You didn't take nothing? So if you weren't in there? You
Thank you,
just went
thank
in though? Yeah? Okay.
So who
if
did
I
you
look
go
at
in
the
with?
bag, I got nothing, there's gonna be
Who
nothing.
did you
I
go
was
in
by
with?
myself.
Oh, you went in by yourself?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, what do you have in your bag?
Nothing. It's empty. Just 3 items.
3 items? Okay, and where are these 3 items from?
They're
From where?
CVS.
Okay.
Well,
I thought you said that you didn't take anything.
okay, well, just 3 items. I did.
Okay, well, at the end of the day, you still took something.
Okay, no, I
We're
did.
gonna put that right here, okay?
What? I'm going to jail? I'm going to jail? For 3 items? Huh?
You a detainer? She has stuff there too?
No.
Yeah, we could detain
No,
her.
I did. What you mean? No. What you mean?
Don't do this.
I didn't take
No,
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 we're
no.
not
I
gonna do
didn't.
this.
Look,
Stop
look,
resisting.
no,
You don't
look,
need that.
no,
You
I
don't
didn't-
need
no,
that.
no,
You
no,
have
no,
stuff
no,
that you took
no.
from
Look, no, you can look. Look
Stop.
at the camera. I was
Stop.
at the register.
Stop.
I was at the register.
Stop. Stop, or we're gonna go down to the ground. Stop, or we're gonna go down to the ground. It's your car.
You're making
We're
this
gonna
worse
go down
than
to
it
the
is.
ground.
I was
It's
at
your
the
car.
register though.
Okay, you
It's your
still took
car.
items.
No, I
You're making
didn't.
it-
Look, I was
you're
at the
making
register.
things-
I paid.
Stop.
I didn't
Stop
take-
resisting.
look.
Stop resisting.
I
You're
didn't-
only being detained.
Okay, detain for
Stop
what? Detain for
resisting.
what?
Detained for
Not yet. I haven't looked if he has anything.
No,
We're gonna go
no,
make
I
contact with
You're gonna get
CVS.
extra charge if you keep resisting.
Okay, but that's not for what? I didn't
For
take-
resisting.
Okay, but I didn't take.
You're under arrest. Stop
For what?
resisting.
What you mean?
shot
I
at
didn't
the
take nothing.
Stop resisting. Stop
I didn't take shit, bro.
Stop resisting, man.
What do you mean? I take me to jail for
We're
what?
gonna figure it out right
Figure
now.
out what?
Stop resisting.
I didn't take shit though. Damn.
All right, you want to go make contact with CVS and then see if you want to do a show up, and then if this is your property.
Oh, I was the register, right? I didn't take anything?
You have property that consists of CVS, and CVS called you out, matching the description.
They didn't
So
call
like I
me
told you at the
out.
beginning, you are being detained for possible shoplifting, okay?
Okay. So what? If they say what?
He's detained too.
He is detained at the moment, yeah. He's been cool with us, so he hasn't been in handcuffs
Okay,
yet.
but look it, I didn't.
I have
walk
one in
out.
my vehicle that also had that bag full of shampoos and everything like
I
that.
didn't walk out with nothing.
And then she had this bag with also consists of shampoos from
Three
CVS.
little things that I was the restaurant. I was gonna pay. My car got declined.
Okay.
Can I speak to you, please? Okay, so we do have them, right? The female had the 3 shampoos.
No, she got more than that.
No, I'm saying the one in the bag. Yeah, I'm not sure about the other one, but are you guys willing to sign complaints or? Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna need you to come do a show up. Are you able to identify the people that took the items? Okay, follow me.
Huh? Oh, they're not made for comfort.
Hey, Retron, can you have her step a little bit more to your right?
Move to the right. Move to the right. Thank you.
The one with the gray hoodie? That's one of them? Okay. 2857. It's going to be a positive ID with subject wearing a gray hoodie.
All right, you're going down for shoplifting.
Why? I didn't take it. I didn't. Maybe my wallet and my phone.
Yeah, I'll get it for you. Hey, Ramos, they're willing to proceed with charges, right?
I'm trying to think what I do. See the.
All right, have a seat.
How much
Have a
am I
seat.
taking?
Have a seat.
Have
Have a seat. Have a
Tell
seat.
me, okay. Just,
Have a seat.
damn.
Thank
Now
you.
you are under arrest. They want to pursue charges for retail theft.
For what?
For what? You made admissions that you took the items from them. They saw you take items from them.
For what? 3 little things?
Doesn't matter. That doesn't justify you being able to steal just because it's 3 little things. Stealing is stealing at the end of the day. We're asking you if you don't want to get another charge. It might just be a sign and release. You're gonna get a ticket at the station. Court date. You're gonna be released within 2 hours, max. Thank you. So just get in the squad. Make shit easier for yourself.
What about the mail?
What was the mail involved? No. The negative ID with a black sweater.
So far, I got one more. All right, you have anything else? No. That's all you had with you? Did I give you your ID back? No. Hey, you have his ID, right? All right, you're gonna be free to go. Step up.
All this for my stepfather's funeral.
Oh, that's your problem. Here, look that way.
No, it is.
Look that way.
Positive ID, wearing a white shirt and blue pajamas.
All right, so at this time, you will be placed in custody. You will be going to jail for shoplifting. Okay?
What for how? For how long?
You're gonna be there for a couple hours. Huh?
Hang on tight for me, okay?
Be right back.
They're gonna take that one back, right? It's only these 2?
These 2. I haven't checked the other bag. This one's also gonna have stuff.
This one has stuff?
Yep. I think this is just her property. Yeah, I think it's just her property. It has nothing. What did they say? You just stole like shampoos?
Yeah, pretty much from what it looks like. Their makeup, bunch of cosmetics.
Yeah, that's pretty much it.
That's it.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put this stuff right here, okay, man?
Okay, thank you.
She was carrying one bag, she was carrying the other bag. Or I think she was carrying 2 bags. So both of them have shampoos on them. So both of them had shampoos when we came in contact with them. She was the one with the bigger bag. He just needs to divide what's what, right?
Yeah, because I think that's.
So
they need because you're gonna charge them individually. Right?
yeah, so how much she took and however much she took, right? So yeah, so from I'll call Ramos because she only had the Aldi's bag. She had the rest. So I'll call him and I'll let him know.
Yes, sir.
Hey, so you're gonna do two separate transactions. I'm not sure if you're aware. So the Aldi's bag is going to be the girl that I have, and then the rest of the bags that have merchandise is going to be for the other girl, because you're going to charge them whatever the amount is.
Okay, cool.
You get me? So just do 2 separate transactions, and then whatever comes out to, then it decides what you do.
Yeah, gotcha.
All right. You guys sign complaints and everything?
It's the. Well, I mean, depending on the amount, it's the misdemeanor.
Yeah, anything over 300 is a felony. Under 300 is a misdemeanor.
I have felony. Do you have a? Wait, let me see if I have misdemeanor. All right, yeah.
All right, see ya.
All right, bye.
You're gonna go to there's a station. You're gonna get processed. We're gonna do our paperwork, and then we're gonna give you a court date. Once you get that court date, you're just gonna be released from the station. And you gotta show up to that court date.
I'll just put the stuff over here. Just go up there. So this one is a separate one, and these two are together. So.
The lessons that you had. Oh, that was like instruction. Do you want me to put them back in here?
Yeah, I need to take a picture of the items.
I could try it. That's that one.
She's been cool with me, right? Let's go.
Just desperate times, huh? They just killed my stepfather. I think he started chasing his brother. Stabbed him. We know the money for a funeral, so we're trying to raise it.
Well, you could do it other ways. This is not one of them.
Yeah. I should have listened to my instincts instead of following dumbass.
The critical legal question: did officers have authority to detain all 3? Under Terry versus Ohio, officers may conduct investigative detention with reasonable suspicion based on specific, articulable facts. Here, a direct report from loss prevention identifying these specific individuals created reasonable suspicion. This justifies the initial stop under Fourth Amendment standards. Officers immediately inform subjects they're detained for shoplifting. Notice one subject states, "I didn't take nothing." Can officers detain her based solely on the group report? Yes. During investigation, officers may briefly detain all identified parties, then make individualized determinations based on evidence. This prevents suspects from coordinating false statements. Now a key question. Can officers use handcuffs during investigative detention? Or does this transform the stop into arrest, requiring probable cause? Courts have held handcuffing during Terry stops doesn't automatically create arrest, provided restraint is reasonable. 3 suspects, theft allegations, conflicting statements. Handcuffs are legally permissible here. One subject admits, "I carried it at the store." This statement, combined with loss prevention report, begins building probable cause for arrest. Officers conduct pat-down for weapons. This is lawful officer safety measure during any detention. The question becomes, can officers search inside the bags? Search authority depends on whether this remains investigative detention or has progressed to arrest. The admission of carrying bags from store establishes probable cause. Second subject provides contradictory statements. First, My card was declined at register. Then, nothing in my bag. Finally, just 3 items from CVS. These inconsistencies constitute consciousness of guilt. Under evidence rules, prior inconsistent statements are admissible as substantive evidence, not merely impeachment. Third subject physically resists detention. Officer warns, "Stop resisting or we're going to the ground." This is critical under Graham versus Connor. Graham established that use of force reasonableness is judged from the officer's perspective at that moment, not with hindsight. Active resistance justifies proportional force response. Officers use body weight and control holds, not strikes or weapons. After clear warnings, taking resistant subject to ground is objectively reasonable under totality of circumstances. Subject complains of arm injury. Some discomfort during lawful arrest involving resistance doesn't constitute excessive force. The test. Was force proportional to resistance offered? Officers separate merchandise by subject. Why? Each person must be charged individually based on value of items she personally stole. Officers discussed a $300 threshold. Under most state statutes, over 300 is felony, under 300 is misdemeanor. This distinction matters significantly. Felony can mean prison time, voting rights loss, severe collateral consequences. Misdemeanor typically means jail, probation, or fines. The male subject is released. Officers determined no evidence connected him to theft, no merchandise in his possession, and his statements were consistent throughout. This demonstrates proper Terry framework application. Brief detention on reasonable suspicion, investigation to determine facts, release when probable cause doesn't develop. Officers explain booking procedure. Transport at the station, processed, given court date, then released. This cite and release approach is standard for misdemeanor arrests. One subject mentions her stepfather's death. While humanizing, personal hardship doesn't provide legal defense to theft, though courts may consider it during sentencing. Let's evaluate the parties. The officers received B+. They had proper legal authority under Terry, conducted organized investigation, made individualized charging decisions. Their use of force was proportional and preceded by warnings. They appropriately released the uninvolved subject. Minor issues. Initial approach could have involved more officers from start. The resistant female subject receives D. Physical resistance to lawful arrest is illegal and counterproductive, resulting in additional charges, forceful takedown, and worse outcome. There is no legal right to resist arrest, even if believing it unlawful. Proper remedy is to comply, then challenge arrest in court through motion to suppress or civil suit. The female with contradictory statements receives C-. Her changing story destroyed credibility and eliminated any defense of mistake or lack of intent. Deny, minimize, admit pattern demonstrates consciousness of guilt. Had she immediately admitted the act with remorse, she might have faced reduced charges or better disposition. The male subject receives B. He provided consistent statements, cooperated with investigation, possessed no stolen merchandise. His approach resulted in release without charges. Key lessons from this interaction. For law enforcement, proper Terry stops require reasonable suspicion from specific facts, not hunches or generalizations. Handcuffs during investigation are lawful when reasonable. Document evidence carefully. Make individualized assessments, not guilt by association. For civilians, if genuinely innocent, cooperation with investigation typically results in release. Consistent, truthful statements preserve credibility. Physical resistance is never legally justified and always worsens outcomes. Contradictory statements destroy any defense and demonstrate consciousness of guilt. You have right to remain silent. Use it wisely. Silence is almost always better than lies. If you speak, be truthful and consistent. Remember, the felony threshold matters. $300 difference between misdemeanor and felony can mean difference between citation and prison. Let us know if there's an interaction or legal topic you'd like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget, subscribe to the channel for more content.